Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to send collaboration requests on YouTube. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the YouTube application on your PC. Then once you go and open the YouTube, you want to go and click on the YouTube studio, then go and click on content, then go and click on any one of these videos, click on details, then scroll down to the bottom till you find here collaboration, then click on invite a collaborator. Then you want to type here the name of the collaborator or whatever YouTuber that you want to collaborate with. Let's say this one here, for example. I'm going to click on create link. Then you'll have to copy this link right here and paste it to the collaborator and send it to him, and he will accept it as I mentioned in a previous video. And after you click on share button, you just have to click on copy. Then don't forget to click on save. And of course, the person should accept your invite. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.